if you have a disaster, you're going to feel all the impacts of not having that data and being able to use it for your operations during that disaster. In addition to being a critical system of your business, we often find scenarios where there will be an initial source of truth, but the data will cascade downstream, but not necessarily be replicated or work its way back upstream. So even though you may have an HR system feeding in some of the more critical components downstream, may be collecting their own data that's not replicated. And so if you have a disaster, you're going to feel all the impacts of not having that data and being able to use it for your operations during that disaster.
And I want to address that because except of the HR system that might be the source of truth, we have multiple changes happening from third-party systems. It can be either enrichment source, can be Terraform doing automatic change management. That means that there is no one place where changes are being made into that system. The final state is that the identity management system is affected by multiple systems that are not necessarily reporting to it and have different syslogs, different audit logs. That means that the amount of changes that are accumulated in that critical system is not actually governed from one space.